found it. Found an arm. Let's see. And making up my bed.
Really?
Yep. While recording for YouTube.
What's wrong with your headset?
Cool. To me, I would lose all hope of reality with that thing.
Now I know what we'll do with our coat robes. Good question. Probably just put them somewhere and forget if all is possible, I guess. Maybe I'll lock them in one of the chests that I have.
Dude, my back hurts.
Because I'm sure if they're actually cult members, they probably will reveal themselves to us anyway.
Yep. Again with the Pokemon D&D stuff talk. This is crazy working man stuff. Not crazy magic hot me.
Oh, it's not?
Nope.
Okay.
Let's talk about work.
What work? We didn't work today.
I know, but let's talk about your jobs. What kind of chores do you like to do, Larry? Besides sit there and mow lawns. Well, that's basically my favorite chore.
Well, nothing too interesting. Probably just make my bed and put my dirty clothes in the dirty clothes. But,
Yeah, do you do your own laundry?
yep.
Cool. That's cool. Forgot the tag is on this side. I think it's
Certainly glad we got rid of those guys, though. They were way too close to home.
yeah. So, Butch, what's your most favorite chore you like to do?
Besides laundry, clean the kitchen, that's probably it.
Cool.
Roast meat.
Freshly made bed. And a clean closet, too.
with me or fucking knock you out. Get up, back away. Ready?
Goddamn fucker.
Huh?
Goddamn fucker.
Yeah, back away. Fucking loco.
You farted, farted?
No, I said shut up, fucker. Not to you guys, the dog. I sometimes call Jay the fucker.
What?
My dog. I think I took off those big old ass heavy boots, bro. Fuck yeah, that feels so good. Okay. Let's put some of this back. On the bed a little bit. Then I'll put the rest of it away. Yeah. So fat. I'm so fluffy. I'm so fluffy. Forgot. I'm also recording this for YouTube. Freshly made bed. How I love thee. I need water.
Yep.
Forgot that Jedi or Sith. I'm kind of lazy. I don't want to get up. Oh, I'll get up. Frick. My back. And there goes one of my mugs. Jeebus. Freaking these. Where you go? Right here. Also, I found my Russian hat. Well, not my Russian hat, my hat that looks like from Wisconsin on. Oh, don't you know I'm from Wisconsin? Don't you know? Like, frick, what are you doing here? Found my eyeglass case. Found like thousands of hats.
Yeah. They got rid of a lot of my hat collection.
Found out I have severe dry skin on my toes. Yep. Yeah. Let's see there. Oh. Found my back massage thing. Yeah, found my back massage therapy thing. Found one of my stylists that I lost 1,000 years ago.
Nice.
Yep. And also found a pair of pants.
Yeah. No, you say
Yeah.
no, he is not. No.
And now I got a spot to put my other shoes, my everyday shoes.
Yeah.
And found my earmuffs. And a perfectly good wallet. Oh, there's my library card. I farted.
Good, you party.
And now my room reeks. And good thing the door's open.